we are headed into Walmart. What are you looking up, Alex?
Text mama.
Texting mama. No, you gotta text your mama. Be grateful if you still have your mama here. Be grateful if you still have your daddy here. Father's Day is coming up and I don't have my daddy here, unfortunately. So be grateful if you still have your parents or your grandparents. But we're gonna do a little bit of shopping in Walmart. Stay tuned for the haul at the end and I will see you guys in the store. Look at the look on Alex's face when he gets a good buggy. Ooh, besides that, yuck. When we go to Walmart, I usually tell him to try to find the buggies with the orange handle like this because they're newer, but that's not always the case because this one's really smooth.
Yep.
All right, check out these cute little Walmart mugs. Walmart mugs, Pioneer Woman mugs, so cute. This is looking real dirty right now, but it's $2.74. On rollback, it was $4.29. I lied, it's $3.74. I was about to say, honey, take me home. They still have plenty of these Starbucks dupe cups, which are so cute. Also, I really like this water bottle down here. I've noticed they've been carrying this brand a lot. All right, $12.88. You can get you some of these sunshine ready towels. This is the Pack Party brand. This is a new brand I've been seeing at Walmart, but they're really pretty. They also have these Justice brand towels, which I'm assuming are a little bit smaller for $10.98. And then a whole lot more towels where that came from. Way more than my Walmart. We're at a different Walmart today. These are on rollback for $12.92. These are $14.92. Oh, I always thought these towel clips were so cool. You could put these like on the back of your beach chair so they don't fall off. I love these, but they only have like not a lot left. Ooh, these are cool. This is a 2-pack and they're flip-flops. $5.94. We kind of need something like this for our new snow cone ice machine. 20 snow cone cups and 20 spoon straws. Splish splash, I was taking a bath all on a Saturday night. Is that what it says? These are cute. All right, this is so cute. I just found this double-sided jigger and I don't know actually where it goes, but they have so many other like bar accessories. So cute. Those are the prices of them. That's the Time and Table brand. And then they also have these cute little shot glasses that look like Moscow Mule mugs. They have the shakers. So cool. They have the little ice buckets. Ooh, and the rainbow one. All kinds of cute stuff over here. They even have a can cooler. Okay, they also have these, which are the Time and Table brand, and they are so cute. They're just like little stackable mugs. They're like boho. Love those. Look, have any of y'all tried the Oat Blossom Mrs. Meyer's hand soap? You have the mint lemon verbena, which is nothing new. What is this one down here? This is rhubarb. I'm not sure if I said that right, but they have all of these new soft soaps. They have Seaside Escape, Star Spangled Berries, Sunsplash Lemon, and then they also have Fresh Burst. I don't even know if these Olay Fearlesses are new, but I know the packaging's new. They have one that balances an even skin, and then they have one that nourishes for glowing skin. Both body wash for $9.84. I also found another one that restores soft, silky skin. Ooh, and look at these Dove bars. They have a Summer Care limited edition one. Serendipity Color Club all new nail dip kits. The first at-home dip manicure kit. These are pretty neat. Such a Sweetheart, Babe Alert, French Twist, Sing Red. What is this one down here? Sheer Perfection, and they also have Private Cabana. Really cool. Ooh, what is this Nostalgia iced tea and coffee brewing system? It's $49. I have really been wanting to try some of the Neutrogena, the sunscreen they have out now. They have a spray as well. They also have the Sun Rescue. Okay, what is this? Sensitive hair removal cream. No, is this like Nair? I could not. What is this? Sugar wax? Perfect for, no, I just can't. Ooh, when did Burt's Bee get a dragon fruit lemon? What in the holy moly happened here? Drop of the video, I guess. I didn't do it though, I promise. Ooh, it says this is a new bio blender. I don't know about that. Also, don't forget about the tampon shortage I told you about in one of my last videos. Like, they only have 3 left of the kind that I usually get. But I did see this one. This is a new one. It's Playtex Clean Comfort. Very interesting. And I kind of looked into why there was a tampon shortage because I wanted to get some research behind it and not just say things. Apparently they're having issues getting the plastic and the cotton that they use to make tampons. Ooh, these are new. Look, bare but better. True nude nail shade. Those are cute too. Modern art. Look at these little cutting boards. The $3.97. They've got a strawberry one. This is a watermelon slicer. Oh, this is so cute to put your strawberries in. I can't deal. I mean, I guess you could put any kind of berry in it. They have the pineapple core. They have the pineapple cutting board, lemon squeeze, strainers. Oh, I love the things. This is my favorite though. And then a ton of these can coolers, like, so cute. Well, they're not can coolers. What are these? These are actually tumblers, but they look like cans. They're tumblers shaped like cans, and they're cute. Okay, this is new and I kind of want it. Aleve new pain relieving spray, max strength, cools in seconds. They also have a new Aleve X pain relieving lotion. That's interesting. Here she was, just walking down the street, singing diddy dum diddy do. The cutest water bottle that I ever saw. I don't even know what section I'm in. I just kind of ran across this, but this is that new brand I was showing y'all earlier that's called Packed Party. Look at this little room decor thing. And then this would be so cute in my office. It says hello, but it's like a hanger thing. They've got Bring on the Sunshine, these little yard stakes, whatever. We also have the Light It Up 6-foot string lights. These are pretty. This is pretty. This is pretty. And this is pretty. Okay, this is actually really cute. It says, hi, how are ya? And then this is even cuter because it's got like little scallop top. How much is this stuff? I want it all. Okay, these are so cute. This is a dual port wall charger. They have blue, and then they have, I think, the single ones. USB-C wall chargers in blue and pink. They're $9.88. And then look at this 6-foot cord. How cute is that? Okay, and I've been seeing these shoes here all year, but I have not seen this pair, and I think this one is so pretty. They're $14.98. Okay, I haven't seen this Sam and Libby brand here, but these are $25. They look similar to like Tory Burch shoes, but they're so cute. They also have white as well, but they are $25. Pretty steep price. And then they have these, which aren't my favorite. They're not as cute in my opinion, but they do have them if you like them. Also, look at these tie-dye slides. These look comfy. They're Clemson colors. Are you a Clemson fan? Look, they even have these flip-flops on clearance. I guess nobody liked these too much. And then check it out. Also found the Baja Blast Mountain Dew energy drink that just came out. And I know everybody's seen the Flaming Hot Mountain Dew most likely, but have you seen the new Baja Gold? I did have this already, and to me it tastes just like the Maui, the Mountain Dew Maui, if you remember that. Ooh, I found this zesty enchilada flavored dip. Have any of you tried that? It's the Texas Pete brand. All right, dairy-free Go-Gurt, anyone? Coconut based, strawberry flavored. Also found these cotton candy wild berry with Lion King. We've got PJ Masks, Spider-Man, and Frozen 2. What is this? Strawberry and the mystery flavor. Have they always had this? Wonder what the mystery flavor is. And this Snowgurt. What? I wonder if these are good. I've never had these or the strawberry cheesecake, but I've tried these and they were okay. They weren't my favorite. Now, it does say this is new, Philadelphia Cheesecake Crumble. I did not know that these blue Candy Blast Chips Ahoy were a Walmart exclusive. Had no idea. Oh, seasonal orange donuts. Okay. Apparently, Atkins has some new protein chips. 4 grams of carbs. There you go. That's their new Doritos. Okay, these are definitely new. It's a limited edition flavor, Parmesan Ranch. Sounds pretty good. Oh, pineapple coconut, sparkling water, red, white, and blue pop. Key lime. They have tangerine mango, which my Walmart never has. I have also never seen the strawberry daiquiri either. And then the blackberry lemonade and the strawberry punch snow cone. That sounds like it'll be good. Have y'all ever seen watermelon papero? Or is it just like me that never has seen it before? Ooh, and that looks good. Not for the kids, but for me. Apparently, grape Pop-Tarts went away and came back, and it's a big thing. So I'm just showing you guys this in case you were one of those grape Pop-Tart fans. Now, I know y'all seen the patriotic cupcakes, but have you seen the s'mores limited edition cupcakes? Okay, just found these Airhead filled ropes. Looks really good. The flavors, 5 times the fun. 10 ropes. Also, these Fruit Loop gummies, I've heard they are so gross. I've seen them at Dollar General several times, and then I got these at the Sweet and Snack Expo. I haven't even opened them yet, but they're supposed to turn like your whole mouth like blue or purple. Starburst Pops, when did they get these? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's the rooster dance, it's the rooster dance, it's the rooster dance. Don't let your phone dance. That, my friends, is what it's called. To be a rooster and shake your tail feathers. Have we seen these pork skins before with the Frank's Red Hot sauce? I don't know if we have or not, but I love pork skins. How about you? Not these. No, not spicy. I showed these in a video a while back, but they have the new ranch toasted chips, and we love the sour cream and onion. And then they have the crisp and thins in the dill pickle flavor, and also cheese crispers in the spicy nacho flavor. Alex just found this new on the border roasted jalapeno salsa verde. I love salsa verde. It's so good. This is tempting, y'all. This store also has tons of Taco Bell avocado ranch. It makes me want to buy like all of them because they get gone so fast. Alex looked at me like, show him what you just did. That's what he literally did when I wanted to buy all of them. But I have one in the fridge now, and I think I have 2 in the pantry. Are these new? I do not know. Are they new to me? Yes, they are. Okay, have any of you seen these Splash Fizzes at Walmart? It's kind of like sparkling water, flavored sparkling water. We're gonna try them out. They're 98 cents a piece. Who knows, they might be good. Bellini Bliss Bubbly. All right, so we all know they have the red, white, and blue Captain Crunch usually every year, but this year they have the red, white, and blue Crunch treat bars, which is different. Pretty cool. Oh, they also have scorching hot cheddar snapped, and they have Parmesan ranch, which I already showed y'all, but you know, they've got a bunch more over here. Strawberry cheesecake ice cream, praline pecan frozen yogurt. And they always have these classic creations. I've never seen them. This is really good. They come out with this almost every year or every year since they started, and it's really good. Try it. I promise you'll love it. They also have milk and cookies, but that looks kind of frostbit if you ask me. I've also never seen these big chippers, and I don't think anybody should have any problems finding any of the Little Debbie ice cream because every time I come to Walmart now, they're like fully stocked. Look at this sea salt caramel. That looks good too. Okay. Here are the new Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Well, besides that one, but we're missing the Mango Gem. There's still an orange one that's supposed to be hitting the shelves, and I have only seen it a few times. So this one tastes very much like Maui if you tried the Maui one, but now they have the Baja Blast and zero sugar, and then your regular Baja Blast. So to end our second date night of the weekend and grocery haul trip, we are gonna go to Taco Bell because what's better than Taco Bell? And then we're gonna go home and probably pass out. It's gonna be a great night. Ooh, Mr. Rooster. Also, if you didn't notice, he drives wherever we go. We're in my car right now, but he always drives. And I don't know if it's because he's scared for me to drive or because I don't want to drive. Most likely because I don't want to drive. Probably both. What do you say?
I say both.
Yeah, both, but I don't like to drive, so let me know. Do you drive more or does your significant other drive more? From Walmart, I got some doubles of some things. I'm afraid that I don't know, I might have accidentally done it. Y'all know Walmart's new ordering thing. I don't even remember ordering this Dr. Thunder, but I have ordered Dr. Thunder in the past. So you know how it gives you that thing that shows what you've ordered in the past? I don't know if I hit that or what, but I got a gallon of milk, some Stoke cold brew coffee, berry blend V8 splash. I ended up with 9 bananas and I only ordered 4. So there's that. I got 1 bell pepper, some tortilla shells, brioche buns. These bagels were a substitution. I've never had the bagels that you have to keep refrigerated, so that should be interesting. And then I got this 5-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breast just to have on hand. And then this was also a substitution. I've never bought a thing of cream cheese this big because we don't use it like for bagels that often, but it was a substitution, so it is what it is. I got this and these 2 things for a recipe you will see coming up on Rooster's Recipe soon. If you haven't followed our new channel, Rooster's Recipe, go ahead and do that because it's so much fun over there and Alex is in front of the camera a lot. We've got ground beef chuck. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. We needed some more butter, so I got a few half sticks. This is some strawberry banana light yogurt for Alex to take to work. Some original butter, cream cheese, fruit by the foot for the girls to snack on. I got some Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits. Y'all, I spent so much money and I don't even feel like I got a lot. I got 2 things of toilet paper and I only ordered 1. I promise I'm gonna have to go back and look at my grocery order and keep y'all updated and let you know. But at least we have plenty of toilet paper now because y'all know. You already know. I got this big can of petite diced tomatoes, 2 cans of tomato soup, this Carolina Reaper Flamin' Hot new Cheetos that they just came out with. They're doing like a TikTok challenge on these as well. So I wanted to try them. I don't know. I don't know about them. I got 2 things of tortellini for a recipe. And then y'all know there's a tampon shortage going on. So I went ahead and bought another box of tampons and some pads just to have as a backup. These are only like $1.91, $1.81 at my Walmart, so I grabbed 2 of those. And then also just to have on hand some pain reliever, some multi-symptom cold and fever liquid medicine for kids, and then pain and fever for kids. So that's literally all I got, and my total is not to be spoken of because inflation. I mean, like, I wonder how the average middle income American citizen is affording gas and groceries right now. Are they having to choose between them? Are they having to choose whether they get to work or whether they buy groceries for their family? I do not know, but it's absolutely ridiculous.